Wondering how to turn your Shopify store into a dropshipping powerhouse? You're in the right place. Welcome, small business owners. Today we're breaking down Shopify dropshipping with expert Jahid. Starting your dropshipping journey can be daunting, but don't worry, we've got your back. First things first, find a niche that excites you. Passion drives success. Next, choose reliable suppliers. Websites like Oberlo and AliExpress are great places to start. Now let's talk about your store. Keep it simple and user-friendly. Think like your customer and make the buying process as smooth as possible. Marketing is crucial. Utilize social media and email campaigns to reach your audience. And remember, consistency is key. Lastly, track your metrics. Analyze what's working and tweak what's not. It's all about continuous improvement. Ready to start your dropshipping adventure? Hit that subscribe button for more tips from Jahid and turn your Shopify dreams into reality. See you in the next video.